The eerie silence that had settled over the forest was suddenly broken by the sound of footsteps. From the shadows, Rakshak emerged, the island's guardian, towering and mysterious. His figure was tall and imposing, his face half concealed by the darkness, but his presence filled the clearing. His voice was low and ancient, reverberating through the trees like a warning carried by the wind. "You've disturbed the balance," Rakshak said, his eyes narrowing as he spoke. "The curse will consume everything unless you reverse the damage." Alex stood tall, undeterred by the guardian's warning. Determination flickered in his eyes as he stepped forward. "I'll do whatever it takes," he replied firmly, his voice steady despite the fear tightening his chest. Rakshak studied him for a long moment, then slowly extended his hand, revealing a small, glowing crystal. The light from the crystal illuminated Rakshak's weathered face, casting strange shadows across his features. "Take this," Rakshak said, his voice filled with an ancient gravity. "Solve the ancient puzzle. Break the curse." Inside the hidden chamber, the air hummed with an invisible force. Ancient symbols etched into the stone walls began to glow softly, lighting up one by one. The room felt alive, shifting subtly with each step they took. Time seemed to hang in the balance, the tension growing with every passing second. Alex, Mike, and Emily moved quickly, working together to decipher the cryptic symbols. They pushed stones, aligned ancient carvings, and rearranged pieces of a puzzle far older than they could comprehend. "This is insane!" Mike shouted, panic creeping into his voice as the walls seemed to close in around them. Alex's focus never wavered. His eyes were locked on the glowing symbols, his hands moving with precision. "Almost there," he muttered under his breath, determination sharpening his every move. With a final, deliberate motion, Alex placed the crystal into the last slot. A faint click echoed through the chamber as the puzzle's final piece slid into place. For a moment, everything was still. Then, all at once, the symbols flared brightly, filling the chamber with a blinding light. The air crackled with energy as the light surged, radiating out from the chamber and spreading across the island. The ancient magic that had bound Shadow Island for centuries began to dissipate, unraveling like threads of a long-forgotten spell. The fog lifted, and the island itself seemed to breathe again. Alex, Emily, and Mike stood on the shore, watching in awe as the once cursed land regained its former life. The dark shadows that had haunted the island melted away, replaced by a peaceful calm. Emily stared out at the island, her voice soft, filled with awe and confusion. What did we just do?" Alex smiled, his eyes still on the horizon as he watched the last traces of darkness vanish. "We saved the world from darkness," he replied, a quiet satisfaction in his voice. The scene shifted, and the familiar sight of the school returned. Peaceful music played softly in the background as Alex stood once again in the principal's office. Mr. Johnson sat behind his desk, his expression no longer stern but thoughtful, even a little proud. "Alex," Mr. Johnson began, leaning forward slightly, "your actions have consequences. But sometimes, they're the right ones." Alex met his gaze, understanding dawning in his eyes. He nodded slowly, a small smile playing on his lips as he reflected on all they had just faced. The mystery of Shadow Island would remain hidden from the world, but Alex knew its secrets now. And with that knowledge came a quiet, powerful truth.